Viewers, today in this video I'm going to review Gama number 7 eyedropper model fountain pen. This pen is having a clear transparent body. The look is very nice, and in the plastic cap and as well as in the grip the color variant is there. One is brown and another one is gray pattern, and another one is the green pattern, and another one is red pattern. And if you see, there is number 8. Seems in the pens which has number 8 Gamma logo is not there. Anyhow, the pen is from Gamma only, but the writing is really good in all types of ink. I mean in the less viscous ink and as well as the high viscous ink. And let me write pen house dot n yes no, best pen shops in India. Yeah, the writing is really good. There is a smooth flow. See again, for smooth flow of writing, ink is the major factor apart from the nib. Okay, anyhow, you need to first check the nib tines, whether the both nibs or tines are together or like this. If you have the tines in the different planes like this, definitely you will get a scratchy feeling. And even if the nibs are in the same plane, still if you get a scratchy feeling, then the problem is with the ink. So you need to change the ink and then you need to try. So changing the nib is simply simple, and just shake the nib and feeder together by pressing and pull it, and nib and feeder will come. In Gamma pens, the ebonite feeder is really long, so be careful. If it improper removal will break the feeder. Anyhow, you will get a feeder spare from us. If you see the feeder, the fountain line is very clear and more ink flow will happen. Even for the high viscosity ink, a good flow will happen, so it will not stuck, and the smoothness will also be there since continuous flow is there. So we highly recommend this pen for adults because the holding is really good for adults. So this is a small review on this particular model pen. Again, this Vality and Click and all those Star One, all those pen companies having very similar outer body designs. Um, uh, there is a very small gap in the quality of writing, to be honest. To speak about the nibs, I don't want to differentiate this is good, this is bad, but everything depends on the perception. For few people, this particular company will be good, and few people, this particular company will be good since they have practiced in that pen for longer time. Okay, fine. If you have any other questions regarding this particular pen model, you can leave us in the comments. I hope this video has given you a clear insight on the pen rather than seeing in the photo. Thanks for watching.